Step 1. Go and get your phone or computer. Step 2. Go to the website and have a click just like this. And for the last step is to claim your compensation. As simple as that. So right now, I'd like you to check through all of these real payment proofs. Right now, people from all around the world are making money. Take a look at this person who has already cashed out this amount of money, as well as all of the other people who have cashed out money from this new website. Now, scroll down to see how many people already cash out every single day on this website. This is how much money you can make with this website. You can make around 87 cents if you click on time. Take a look at this. If you complete 10 clicks, you will get $8.7. You will earn around $43.50 if you complete 50 clicks. You may simply earn $87 with just 100 clicks. That's correct. This is something you can do over and over again. This approach is presently 100% guaranteed free and available in every country across the globe. In this short video, I'll teach you how to sign up for a free account. Also, I'll walk you through a real-life example so you can see me do it step by step. Furthermore, I will share several bonus and suggestions that will assist you in making more money online, so make sure you don't miss out. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. The first step is to go to this website, LightGPT, which can be found at lightgpt.com. So basically, there are a variety of ways to make money online on this website. PTC and video advertising are now the finest ways to make money on this website. Now, PTC stands for paid to click, which implies you might be compensated for visiting a website or clicking on advertisements. So, we'll show you a real-life example of how you may make a lot of money online by clicking on websites like this or viewing video commercials like these. Make sure you watch all the way to the finish. And as you can see, these are actual payment proof right here on this page. They are very transparent to show you how the advertisements work, how many websites you visited, and how much money you've already earned in your account. One of the reasons I like this website is that it allows you to make quick withdrawals. Today, you may cash out your earnings in as little as 24 hours. They have a very low minimum payment of just 50 cents. There are a variety of payment options available on this website. If you want to register for a free account right now, all you have to do is click on the green register button right here. That will take you to this page where you may register for a free account. And the best part is that this is available in any country across the globe. So, before I show you a real-life example on how to click on a website and watch video assets to earn money, I'd want to introduce you to the second website first, which is boxinside.com. The reason I want you to sign up for both boxinside.com is that it's also a GPT. And the more websites you sign up for, the more advertisements you'll be able to click on, and the more money you'll be able to make. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Now, as you can see here, for the second website, boxinside.com, you can get paid every 10 seconds. So look at this real payment proof. Individuals are cashing out their money every single day right on this page. As you can see here, they're from all around the globe. People from all over the world are able to generate money and pay out their gains at boxinside.com. There are a variety of websites where you may make anywhere from 50 cents to roughly $1 or $2 by simply clicking on them. You can earn money just by visiting their advertiser's website and clicking on their links. Keep watching because I'll show you some real-life instances of how you can pay out with this opportunity using a variety of methods. Their payment options include PayPal, Payza, AdCash, BitGold, and a lot more. You can pay out your money once you've reached $2, which is very easy. and I will show you right away. Now, you're going to set up an account for free. Simply click this register button and you'll be taken to this page. On this page right here, just simply enter your username, login, payment email, and confirm it here. Now, for the referral code, just leave it blank. In the currency, just select the one that suits you, including the payment method and the birth year. They want us to click on various icons to prove that we are not robots in the final section right here. Lastly, accept the terms of service and click on register right here. So for the time being, I'll just give you a real-life example. Now, when you log into your account, you'll see a variety of advertisements that you can click on to earn money. For example, I will click on this banner ad right here. After doing so, it will redirect me to the homepage of the ad. All you need to do on this website is stay for 30 seconds so that you will be paid. After 30 seconds, you may now proceed to the other advertisements. Don't worry, you don't have to create an account or do anything. All you have to do is stay on this website for at least 30 seconds to earn money. Make sure you don't lose any time. I'd like you to click on as many banner advertisements as possible. I recommend that you click on 5 or 10 advertisements at once so that you may wait 30 seconds all at once, saving a lot of your time and making a lot more money than other people. The next website will let you earn by just watching videos. Just simply go to hideout.co to be redirected to the website of Hideout TV. Watch a variety of videos and video advertisements. Simply click and watch for 30 seconds to start earning money online. As you can see, there are literally hundreds of videos and advertisements to view in order to make money online. I will assist you in creating a free account in order to ensure that you will be compensated. Now, on their homepage, just click on this sign up button. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you will be entering your username, email, and password. Don't forget to have a click on this box right here to agree on their privacy policy and terms of service. Lastly, have a click on this captcha right here and click on sign me up. For example, if I want to view this video right now, I'll simply click on it. It will send me to this website where adverts will begin to appear directly on the video. Occasionally, there are 1, 2, or even 3 advertisements just in one video. You may make money online by watching advertisements. The more advertisements you watch, the more money you'll make. You can actually do this on your phone or on your computer, so don't worry. What I want you to do is click on numerous videos, such as this video, and this video right here, and open up multiple tabs as you can see here. The more videos I watch, the more advertisements I'll be able to click on, and the more money I'll earn. There are a lot of various videos on these websites, so you have lots of options. There are so many video commercials that you can watch and so many banner advertisements inside a website that you can simply click on and get paid. And that's precisely how these guys make so much money every day, by simply clicking on websites and watching video ads. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.